Can Scrapy be replaced by pyspider? I've been using Scrapy web scraping framework pretty extensively, but recently I've discovered that there is another framework/system called pyspider, which according to its GitHub page, is fresh, actively developed and popular. pyspider's homepage lists several things being supported out of the box. Powerful web UI with script editor, task monitor, project manager and result viewer. JavaScript pages supported. Task priority, retry, periodical and recrawl by age or marks in index page, like update time. Distributed architecture. These are the things that Scrapy itself doesn't provide, but it is possible with the help of Porsche, for Web UI Scrapage, for JS pages and Scrapy, deploying and distributing through API. Is it true that pyspider alone can replace all of these tools? In other words, is pyspider a direct alternative to Scrapy? If not, then which use cases does it cover? I hope I'm not crossing too broad or opinion-based line.
pyspider and Scrapy have the same purpose, web scraping, but a different view about doing that. Spider should never stop till www dead. Information is changing, data is updating in websites, Spider should have the ability and responsibility to scrape latest data. That's why pyspider has URL database, powerful scheduler, at every age, etc. pyspider is a service more than a framework. Components are running in isolated process, light, all version is running a service too. You needn't have a Python environment but a browser. Everything about fetch or schedule is controlled by script via API, not startup parameters or global configs. Resources/projects is managed by pyspider, etc. pyspider is a spider system. Any components can be replaced, even developed in C++/Java or any language, for better performance or larger capacity. And on _start versus start _URL token bucket traffic control versus download _delay. Return JSON versus class item message queue versus pipeline. Built-in URL database versus set. Persistence versus in-memory. Query plus any third package you like versus built-in CSS/path support. In fact, I have not referred much from Scrapy. pyspider is really different from Scrapy. But why not try it yourself? pyspider is also fast, has easy to use API and you can try it without install.
Since I use both Scrapy and pyspider, I would like to suggest the following. If the website is really small, simple, try pyspider first since it has almost everything you need. Use WebUI to set up project. Try the online code editor and view parse result instantly. View the result easily in browser. Run/pause the project. Set up the expiration date so it can reprocess the URL. However, if you tried pyspider and found it can't fit your needs, it's time to use Scrapy. Migrate on _start to start _request, migrate index _page to parse, migrate detail _age to detail _age, change self.crawl to response.follow. Then you are almost done. Now you can play with Scrapy's advanced features like middleware, items, pipeline, etc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.